Welcome to JH. Today, you will learn how to broadcast your screen using Microsoft Teams. This feature is essential for effective teamwork, whether you are working from home or collaborating with your colleagues from the office. To begin, ensure you are logged into Microsoft Teams. If the software isn't on your computer yet, download it from the official Microsoft site or your device's App Store. Once installed, launch the program and select the Sign In button to enter your account details. This brings you to the primary dashboard where you can manage your conversations, meetings, and other features. Next, you need to enter the meeting where you plan to present. Find the camera icon, usually located in the toolbar at the top or side of the screen, to initiate a session. You can also bring in other members by forwarding a meeting link or sending invitations through their email. Once the call starts, look at the control bar at the bottom of your window. You are looking for the Share icon, which looks like an arrow pointing up inside a square. Clicking this will reveal a menu with various broadcasting choices for your presentation. You can now choose to display your entire screen, a specific window, or a browser tab. Select Screen if you want everyone to see your whole desktop. If you only want to show one file or application, pick Window or choose Tab for web-based content. After selecting your preference, click on Entire Screen. If you use multiple monitors, the system will prompt you to pick the specific display you want to show. Simply click it and press Share again. Now, everyone in the call can see your display. Always remember to hide private data to protect your privacy during the session. It is helpful to confirm with your audience that they can see your presentation clearly. You can move between different apps or tabs smoothly, and the view will update for others in real time. That covers the basics of screen sharing in Microsoft Teams. Try these steps yourself to get comfortable with the process. Thanks for joining us, and enjoy your collaborative sessions on Microsoft Teams.